Well, I'm hearing it's 55 seconds back to the chase group with sprinters in it, so Sam Welsford, so they're not coming back now.
So Pithy from Red Bull there is also a fast finisher.
That rider going right down the line.
George Bennett, his job's done on the front.
Bennett has flown down through the pack there, but he kept his line.
Jay Vine now on the front, setting the pace. Bahrain Victorious on the left for Bauhaus, getting more organised now. Lawrence Pithy, just clipping that traffic island on the way through. Pithy will be liking his chances in a group like this. A man who can survive the climb.
Right up there.
Big adrenaline rush from hitting the traffic island too.
Absolutely. There's a left sweeper now. Continues right around this as we line up for the finish line now in Victor Harbour. 2 kilometres out, the Lone Piper is playing, but for whom? Probably Ben Swift as well. There they are, the boys in red.
Yeah, on the wheel of the Ineos chain is Pithy. He's got Finn Fisher Black around him as well. Phil Bauhaus is there. Little Trek starting to come up.
Groupama FDJ in control at the moment, but just 2 riders on the front. The rest poised behind. Ineos Grenadiers, 3, 4 in a row. In fact, another coming to join them. They're looking the best organised at the moment.
How often have I said, though, they're always good at this stage and they disappear before the finish, but they do need a win, that's for sure. And they've got the power to do it if they can lead them out. We're looking for the last kilometre to go on the fascinating end to this stage 4 of the Santos Tour Down Under. And the ochre jersey still on the shoulders at this point of Javier Romo. He's done well today.
Ineos with 5 in a row now.
Yep.
Ben Swift, Connor Swift, Sam Watson.
I would say probably the one who's not there is probably Geraint Thomas at this stage, but this is the right and will be followed by a left if I remember the running correctly.
That's correct. The left-hander coming up now, swinging in.
Oh, and it's a fast turn. Idiots have got the best shot at this they've ever had, and they were coming up towards the finish now.
Danny Van Poppel looks like he's at Pithy, who's got him set. It's Pithy on the right-hand side, second wheel, in the wheel of the Ineos rider. Inside 400 to go now. Coquard opens up.
Oh, and look at the Brian Coquard. That's the finish from a sprinter. Naves is after him. He's told too late. Coquard, is he going to hang on? He's bouncing off the barriers. And he may not hang on. I think he got it.
Either just got there or nipped by Phil Bauhaus, centre of the road. Narvaez complaining, but he put himself on the barriers. He rode himself into a dead end. I don't think there's anything for him to complain about.
Yes, he's got it. Very happy for Brian Coquard. Well, I think we're ready. Let's see if Brian Coquard speaks French, or rather maybe Matthew Keenan. Let's find out.
Brian, the Santos Tour Down Under is a very happy place for you again.
Yeah. Very happy to win today because yesterday is not a good day for the team. We don't have good legs and the journal classification is high. We lose a chance yesterday, but today I know it's my best chance to win here, and it's a perfect day.
This is the confirmation. Coquard, all same time, of course. Bauhaus, Narvaez, who complained about the sprint. Robbie says no problem there. Now, a sprinter expects to win by the width of his tyre, and I think Coquard did just that.
Yeah, have a look at how Brian Coquard positions himself here. He slots in between the Ineos Grenadier riders. He's very patient, and that's key here. It's a long, straight line into the finish, even though it's got a slight bend. Little Trek start to move up on the left-hand side, and that's when Coquard decides, no, I'm going to use the slingshot. I'm going to ride as close to the riders as possible before I step into the air, get the slingshot. Phil Bauhaus and Narvaez just fighting there in the shoulder, and he just holds off to the finish line. It's a throw to the line, and I agree with Robbie McEwen. I'm not sure what Narvaez is contesting about there. That's a great win for the Frenchman and for the Cofidis team.
Now he was nowhere near him. Comes to on the inside. We'll let the judges make the final decision, but I think you'll find Coquard will be awarded the victory. Did nothing wrong at all there.
Wasn't too sure.